reason we're driving 3 hours to Raleigh to get this vending machine is because it is only $500 and the ones near me are anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000. So I had to act fast before somebody else got it. And of course we're on a time crunch, and the one gas station we stop at only has 93 grade gas. So we got to get back on the interstate and find another gas station.
The last place only had 93. You had to go somewhere else.
Yeah, and the storage facility is open until 10, but the big door is shut at 7, and our ETA is literally 7.
Oh.
Word of the day.
Malachi.
Go on. Apply for the ExxonMobil Smart Card Plus credit card today.
We didn't want them to wake up because we still have an hour and a half.
Order now on the Subway app. Buy any footlong and get a second one free with code FLBOGO in the Subway app.
Good music. It won't get copyrighted.
We're full of gas and we got cash for the vending machine, and we have an hour and a half to go. We're 10 minutes away. All the children are awake.
They close the big bay doors at 7, and that would be very helpful for us getting the vending machine out. But the regular doors are open till 10, so we're gonna have to fit the big ice cream vending machine through the regular size door, which is probably gonna be a pain in the butt.
Yeah, but hopefully not too bad.
It's 7 o'clock right now, and we're 10 minutes away. We barely missed it. And I called U-Haul twice, and I asked the guy twice after he said no the first time if they'd keep the bay door open for like 15 more minutes.
They said no. Said they couldn't do it.
They can, they just won't.
We are all out of food for the kids. We're gonna get food after we get the vending machine. We're all out of snacks. We're here. Hunter is going to look at the vending machine right now. I'm staying with the kids for a second. Mm-hmm. Hey, meow meow. Were you eating crackers? You're just a mess everywhere, huh? You're a mess?
Yeah.
Are you?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not? Hey, let's not eat a sock, Montgomery. Take that out of your mouth.
I don't want this.
That's nasty.
I don't want this.
Mila. Hey, sissy, you slept the longest, didn't you, little girl?
I'm going to see that.
No, Montgomery. He was screaming at us. I had to get him out. You see that vending machine?
No.
What do the doors do?
Hunter could talk for forever.
Well, you should take it from the other angle. Let me show him. What up, y'all? Here's the ice cream vending machine. This one's really cool because it has a little seeing window right there, and if you look through the window, you'll see a little robot arm. And what that does when you make your selection, there's a deep freezer in the bottom half. The deep freezer opens up, and then that robot arm has a suction hose, and it knows which selection you made, and it goes and sucks it up and vends it. So I'm really excited for this one. I think kids will like to watch the claw machine action through that peephole thing, and they'll really enjoy it. I guess adults might too, but whatever. They're watching cartoons on that tripod.
Oh, that's so high.
All right, we got the vending machine loaded up. They were asking 600. Got it for 500. Let's go. If you buy that machine used from a reseller, $3 grand.
I don't like that. There you go, Mom.
That one's mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mila wants some. Can she have some? Monty, how old are you?
My name's Monty.
I know your name's Monty, but how old are you? How old are you? You're 2?
That's two.
Daddy's 2 too.
Yeah.
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Monty.
Oh, nice to meet you, Monty. Will you shake my hand?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. My name's Mommy. No, it's not. What's my name? What's Mommy's name? No, I'm not Hunter. I'm Rebecca.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm Rebecca.
No, you're Monty. And who's this person?
Maya.
Okay, and who's this?
Okay.
Is that Malachi?
Yeah,
Okay.
Daddy got. Okay, so baseball.
Yeah, he's got baseball on his shirt.
My bed.
Oh, no.
2, 3.
Are you saying daddy, Mila? Say daddy.
It says it's gonna rain at 9 p.m.
Where? Well, we're not gonna be quiet. Here.
What is that?
It's a
Pickle. Give Mila some.
She won't do it. You wanna try it? Here, it's yummy. Malachi ate it. Just taste it. Just taste it. Okay.
It's 9 o'clock now, 8:45, and we have a 3-hour drive home. So we will be getting home at midnight.
Yeah. Why don't you say, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Well, we're on the road, and it says our ETA is 12 o'clock.
And we got church in the morning, and we're doing baby dedication, saying that we'll, be good parents and teach them about God. So.
Yeah. Maybe we'll continue the vlog tomorrow. We need to talk to your mom. Okay. We'll update later. We are at a gas station. It's 10:15, and Hunter's gonna get an energy drink, and I'm also gonna get a drink. He's back there currently fixing something in the vending machine. The plug was like just swinging in the wind. Hold on. I know he saw it. Oh, they're awake. Hey. Hey. Oh, Meow Meow's asleep. Hi. He went inside. He'll be back. Monty's really been into holding hands recently, so. What? Daddy's gonna get something? Yeah, he is.
It's Mother's Day.
It is midnight and we still have 45 minutes to go.
Remember when we said we're getting there at 12? Well, that's if you drive fast. And we have a trailer and a vending machine, so we've added an hour, 2-hour ETA.
Yep.
But it's Mother's Day. The whole reason I went and picked this one up super late tonight So
Oh my gosh.
it's because that mat was crooked. This vending machine has wheels that screw into the foot pegs, so now we can move it around easier when I'm working on it, or if I need to get it out of the way. It's really nice.